So hello everyone, me with my brother going to here. He's my cousin brother named Laksh something, and we are going not here, somewhere आगे से ऐसे घूम के to the McDonald's. Let's go. So yeah, we are going to McD. Yeah, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. Here is the McD. So let's go. Okay, my favorite guy, my favorite person with this eye, this eye, and this eye. Let's. Okay, so guys, we have एक कॉर्नर वाली सीटें मिली है, but यहाँ उधर वो काफी बड़ा है. They have their counter इसके साइड पे. So bye bye. मम्मी को फोन. Bye bye.